5 amazing benefits of drying clothes in the sun. Drying clothes in the sun can have a lot of benefits over using a tumble dryer. Let's take a look at the top 5 reasons to dry your clothes outside in the sun. Number 1. Saves energy. Not only is drying clothes in the sun good for the environment, it can also save you a lot of money compared to using a tumble dryer. Some estimates say that if every UK household hung 1 load of washing per week instead of using a dryer, we could save around 1 million tonnes of CO2 each year. Line drying your clothes in the sun is completely free, apart from putting up a line and buying pegs in the first place, of course. Number 2. Helps clothes last longer. Another benefit of drying clothes in the sun is that they will last longer. Why? Well, there are a couple of reasons. Firstly, tumble drying often shrinks clothes, while this is very unlikely to happen with air drying. Secondly, drying clothes in the sun is gentler than tumble drying. The heat and agitation of a tumble dryer can stress fabric and fastenings and damage clothes. If you dry them on the line, they will just be gently blowing in the breeze. Number 3. Lightens stains and brightens whites. You've probably heard of the sun's natural bleaching properties before. This is thanks to its ultraviolet rays, which make direct sunlight an effective stain remover. As a result, drying clothes in the sun is particularly useful for lightening tough stains. Natural sunlight is also great for brightening white clothing, sheets, towels, and cloth nappies that become discoloured fast. Number 4. Removes odours and enhances freshness. By breaking down the DNA of any bacteria living on your clothes and essentially killing it, direct sunlight also helps to remove odours. In fact, drying your clothes in the sun for just a few hours can remove unpleasant smells from smoke, food and mildew completely. Number 5. Quicker and safer than drying indoors. The final major benefit of drying clothes in the sun compared to using an indoor clothes airer is that it is a much quicker process. This is because the heat from the sun's rays warms the water molecules in the fabric and warm water evaporates faster than cold water. Drying your clothes outdoors is also better for your health and your home. Hanging them indoors will increase the moisture in the air, which can eventually lead to a build-up of mould if you're not careful. So long as it's warm and dry enough outside, drying your clothes in the sun is a win-win. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more laundry and clothing care tips. Thanks for watching.